Best pickleball paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vatic Pro PRISM Flash. Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle. Premium carbon fiber. Lightweight 8 ounces. 16.3 inches by 7.7 inches. 5.3-inch grip. All skill levels. Elevate your pickleball game with the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle. Expertly designed for players of all skill levels. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this paddle delivers unmatched durability, lightweight performance, and superior power, giving you the perfect balance of control and speed on every swing. Measuring 16.3 by 7.7 inches with a 5.3-inch grip, the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm ensures a comfortable hold for precision shots and extended play without fatigue. Weighing only 8 ounces, it offers agile maneuverability, allowing quick reactions and effortless volleys, perfect for competitive matches or casual games. The paddle's 16mm thickness provides optimal touch and pop, making every shot crisp and controlled. Its all-carbon fiber frame and shaft enhance stability and reduce vibration, ensuring consistency in your gameplay. Whether you're driving, slicing, or dinking, this paddle responds with reliability and finesse. Designed for adult players of all levels, the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm is ideal for beginners, intermediates, and seasoned players seeking a high-performance paddle that combines comfort, precision, and style. Its sleek, modern design and durable construction make it not only functional, but visually appealing on any court. Upgrade your pickleball experience today with the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle, where precision meets power and every game becomes an opportunity to shine. Number 2. Bread and Butter Filth. Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle. 16mm. Textured carbon grip surface. Polypropylene honeycomb core for maximum spin, control, and power. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle. Engineered for players who demand precision, power, and superior control. Featuring a textured carbon grip surface with advanced surface technology, this paddle allows you to generate maximum spin while maintaining exceptional accuracy, helping you dominate rallies and outmaneuver opponents. Built with a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, the Jula Vision delivers a perfect balance of responsiveness and power. Every shot feels crisp and controlled, making it ideal for dinking, driving, or fast-paced volleys. The all-carbon fiber frame and shaft enhance stability, reduce vibration, and provide a solid, consistent feel with each swing. Designed for adult players of all skill levels, this paddle measures 4¼ inches in grip size and weighs 7.84 ounces, offering an optimal combination of comfort and maneuverability. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended play, while the ergonomic grip ensures confident handling for precise shots. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player, the Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle is engineered to improve performance and elevate your game. Its sleek, modern design and high-quality construction make it durable, stylish, and tournament-ready. Experience unmatched spin, control, and added power with every swing. Upgrade your pickleball gear today with the Jula Vision 16mm paddle and bring professional-level performance to your next match. Number 3. Gearbox Pro Power. Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle. 20mm honeycomb core. Raw carbon fiber surface. One-piece molded construction for superior control, spin, and power. Elevate your pickleball performance with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, designed for intermediate players who demand precision, power, and control on every shot. Featuring a 20mm honeycomb core, This paddle delivers an ideal balance of responsiveness and durability, giving you the perfect combination of pop, control, and consistent playability. The raw carbon fiber surface enhances touch and spin, allowing you to execute sharp, accurate shots with added power. Its one-piece molded construction ensures stability and vibration reduction, providing a solid, confident feel with every swing. Whether driving, dinking, or performing advanced spin techniques, the Gearbox G20 offers unmatched performance and precision. Measuring 15.875 inches by 4 inches with a 4-inch grip, this lightweight 8.0-ounce paddle offers exceptional maneuverability, reducing fatigue during long matches. The fiberglass material combined with a carbon fiber frame enhances durability while maintaining a lightweight design, making it perfect for extended play. Ideal for all ages and specifically crafted for intermediate skill levels, the Gearbox G20 is versatile enough to elevate your game at any level of competition. Its sleek, professional design is both stylish and tournament-ready, making it a standout paddle on the court. Upgrade your pickleball gear today with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle and experience unparalleled control, spin, and power in every match. Play with confidence and dominate the court with a paddle designed to perform. Number 4. CRBN 3X Power Series. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle. 16mm carbon fiber paddle with foam injected edges for maximum sweet spot and power. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, expertly engineered for players who demand precision, power, and control. Featuring a 16mm thick carbon fiber construction, this paddle provides a perfect balance of lightweight agility and solid responsiveness, helping you make every shot count. Designed with foam-injected edges, the CRBN X Series expands the sweet spot, giving you more consistent hits and reducing mishits. Whether you're driving, volleying, or dinking, this paddle ensures every stroke feels precise and controlled, allowing you to dominate the court with confidence. Weighing just 0.32 kilograms, approximately 11.3 ounces, and with a 4-inch grip, the paddle offers optimal comfort and maneuverability, minimizing fatigue during extended play. Its carbon fiber shaft and durable plastic frame enhance stability, while providing a smooth, solid feel that responds instantly to your movements. Suitable for adult players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle is versatile enough to complement any style of play. Its sleek, modern design not only looks professional, but is built to withstand the rigors of frequent matches and practice sessions. Experience improved power, control, and expanded sweet spot with every swing. Upgrade your pickleball performance today with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle. Precision engineered for maximum impact and game-changing play on every match. Number 5. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle. Elongated Invicta shape, carbon fiber construction for superior control, power, and precision. Dominate the court with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, expertly designed for adult players of all skill levels who want a perfect balance of control, power, and spin. Featuring an elongated Invicta shape, this paddle provides an extended reach, allowing you to execute precise shots and cover more court area with ease. Crafted with premium carbon fiber material, both in the paddle face and frame, the LUXX Control ensures exceptional durability, responsiveness, and consistent performance. Its carbon fiber shaft enhances stability while minimizing vibration, providing a solid, controlled feel with every swing. Whether you're driving, dinking, or performing advanced spin shots, this paddle delivers unparalleled precision and confidence. Measuring with a 4¼ inch grip and weighing 8.1 ounces, this paddle offers superior comfort and maneuverability. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended matches, making it perfect for both competitive tournaments and casual play. Ideal for players of all skill levels, the Selkirk Sport LUXX control paddle combines professional-level performance with a sleek, modern design. Its elongated shape and expert construction make it easy to generate power without sacrificing control, ensuring every shot is accurate and impactful. Upgrade your pickleball experience today with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle and enjoy the perfect combination of control, precision, and power in a durable, tournament-ready paddle. Play smarter, swing faster, and dominate every match.